Welcome back everybody to another Deja Vu Nails video. This one I'm pretty excited. It's called Burano. I'm probably butchering the name. I got it on Amazon. It's a really cool set. It was literally, I think it was $15.99. I will place the link below, of course. But it actually comes with this really cool stuff. So it comes with like, I want to say 30 different nail foils and 2 bottles of gel, the nail foil glue. It is thinner than knot polish and a little thinner than, what is it, mark art, I believe. But we shall see how it does. And then it comes with that really cool tool. So that little sponge tool is the bomb. I love it. It's really cool. So I'm going to flip through these real quick. This video I'm going to show you me doing a nail with it. And then I'm also going to just literally kind of slow-mo, well, fast-mo flip through these and show you I'm in love with each one of these. They're so freaking cute. And they give you such a good variety. Like there's some really good Christmas colors, like the blue, the gold. There's red, there's green. And then it has a really good variety of some mandala. Mandala? I don't know. And some paisley. I love these. They're super, 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 super cute. And they are like, they stick together. So there's probably like a bunch of them. I didn't count them as I went, but I think I hit them all. And they are all freaking cute. So be prepared to be wowed over the next couple months with all of these because there are so many. I might do a giveaway and give maybe one of the glues away and a few of these because honestly, this is so many, guys. So many. Like, I could probably use these for the next 10 years. But they are super, super, uber cute. And then there's some solid color of silvers, or I call them silvers, I guess chromes, which are cute. And then there are some matty looking ones. And so I kind of just fly through this. It's really fun to do these. If you like this set, be sure and click that like button. Be sure and comment to tell me what you think. And click that subscribe button because I really want to see your beautiful faces every time that I'm doing a video. I'm so excited because I'm just like, I'm showing you guys everything. So if you guys also want to follow me on Instagram, I would love to have you there. My goal is for you guys to be inspired by things that I show and tag me in them. Like, show me what you guys do with them. So if I do something and you find that it's neat and you want to, if you want to try it, if you're new at doing nails, try it. Show me what you got going on, no matter how good, no matter how bad you feel it is. We all have had those times that we are just learning. I want to see it all. And for those of you that I know can do this better than me, show me, girl. Show me what you got because I really want to see everybody's stuff. This right here is just, this is what I'm about. I love doing this stuff. I've been doing a lot of hauls lately. I think I'm going to do a few more and then I'm going to start on a bunch of just like tutorials, watch me work type of thing. So on this one, y'all know me, I couldn't just do the foil, so I literally did the foil and then added some bling to it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I noticed, I don't know if maybe I just didn't put enough glue or if I just didn't, I don't know, but it did kind of leave a couple white splotches. So I went ahead and did a second coat because I want it to be solid red. My goal was to use these solid colors so that you could see the behavior of it, um, which is kind of cool because, you know, I've used Not Polish already, I've used Mark Art already, and so I kind of am getting an idea of how I want it to perform. On this one, I did have to do a second coat on it because it did leave a couple white splotches where it didn't pick up. So that kind of bummed me out, but on the same note, you know, it could have been way worse, and you know, it came out fine. So it's not too much to cry about. It could be a downer if you're doing like butterflies or something where it's real specific for the art. Then you're gonna have to be a little more careful, a little more cautious. Maybe put a nice thick layer of the gel, the glue, the transfer glue. But for me, this worked just fine. So doing a second little layer made it nice and solid and gave me what I wanted to see. Now, if you know me, you know I have to be extra on every freaking thing I do. I can't just leave a red ass nail. I have to actually add some kind of stupid bling to it. So I did go ahead and clear coat it just to see how it looked. And then I did go back in and I did, you know, add some bling to it. I have these really big stones, and in my mind, I wanted it to look like a snowflake. So in my mind, this is how I thought. This is gonna look like a snowflake. It's gonna look like the cutest damn snowflake ever. But in reality, it looks more like a white or like a silver poinsettia. So I guess it's like a reverse on a poinsettia to where you do, like, instead of having a red poinsettia, then this would be like a real pretty white one. And you know, that's just the thing you do is you try things and see how it works. And if it works, if it don't work. So on this, I did go ahead and nuke it for a second. I am using hard gel, like builder gel by IBD, just because it kind of holds it in place while you're working on it. I did do an attempt and tried to do it with my regular glue. It did not want to hold it into place, and so it kind of was a nightmare, but I got it straightened out, and you know, we got this, we got this. Everything that you do is a challenge, and everything that you do is fun. The goal is to not, you know, don't lose the fun in it. Like, this is art too. So you are doing nails, but you are also making art, and more than likely you're doing this because you are an artist deep inside. So don't lose that artist side to yourself. You know, you definitely want to, you know, reach outside that comfort zone. Now, this is a big ass bling for a little bitty nail, but you know what? It's cute as hell. So I hope you guys like it. And, you know, my whole goal was to show off the foils. And while the foils did shine, this bling shined a little bigger. So I hope you guys liked it. And then I did do another nail just to show you what a solid nail would look like. And it came out really stinking cute too. So, and see there, I cooked it. And then I did go ahead and I did the blue nail. And then I went back in and added a little stone to the other nail because I wanted it to have a little center like a flower. So I do show that there at the end too. So I hope you guys love what I did here. I just really wanted to kind of show off this product. That way you guys can see it. That way if you want to purchase it, you can. It kind of gives you a view of how it works, how it functions. I will try to be clear whenever I am using them going forward, because I do plan to use the 3 different ones that I just got. I got Make Art or Mark Art, Not Polish, and then this brand as well. So I do plan to try to use them to see how well they work. I will keep you guys posted with that. And until next time, see y'all later. Bye.